1 batter, 3 treats, cupcakes, soft cake, cake rusk. 1.5 cup maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Add 125 grams butter, 1 cup sugar. Blend it until it becomes smooth. Add 1 egg and blend it. Add 1 more egg and blend it again. Add 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add dry mixture in 1 cup milk. Mix it very well. Add the batter into mold. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven bake cupcakes at 180 Celsius for 25 minutes. Bake cake at 180 Celsius for 40 minutes. Cupcakes are ready to eat. How soft it is! Cake is also ready after 40 minutes. Cake is also ready to eat. Now it's time to make cake rusk. Bake at 180 Celsius for 15 minutes from both sides. Now it is ready to eat.